Welcome to the EBMT Survey on Transplant and Cellular Therapy Activity. In this video, we'll guide you through the form and explain how to report your centre's activity correctly. The first section of the form is pre-filled with the most up-to-date information we have about your centre. Please take a moment to review it carefully. Next, confirm if your centre's team has changed or if it remains the same. If there are changes, enter the names of the new members along with the current ones. Select one of the three options regarding your centre's activity. Your selection will influence the next set of questions. Next is Table 1. In this section, report the number of patients receiving their first allogeneic or autologous transplant, or first CAR-T gene therapy. Please enter only numbers, not letters. Once you've entered data in rows 1 to 38, the totals will automatically be calculated and displayed in row 39. In row 40, report the total number of additional, non-first HSCT and/or additional CAR-T gene therapy performed. The total number of all HSCTs and/or CAR-T gene therapy will appear in row 41. In row 42, report the number of pediatric patients under 18 years receiving their first allogeneic or autologous transplant, or their first CAR-T gene therapy. Remember to report these numbers twice, first in rows 1 to 38, and again as a total in row 42. After completing Table 1, answer the question: did your centre perform non-HSCT cellular therapies using manipulated or selected cells? If you choose yes, you'll proceed to Table 2 to report the number of patients receiving non-HSCT cellular therapies. For Table 3, please select yes if your centre performed DLI. If you can provide the breakdown of DLI, please select yes and fill out the table. If you don't know, please select no and enter the total number of DLI. For Table 4, please select yes if your centre performed IST for acquired bone marrow failure syndromes. If you can provide the breakdown of IST, please select yes and fill out the table. If you don't know, please select no and enter the total number of IST. Please provide the full name of the representative to be listed in the publication appendix. Please provide an email address to receive a PDF document of the form. When finished, check the box for Finish the survey and enter the date. Click Review Answers. You'll be able to review your entries. If corrections are needed, click Back to Form. If everything is correct, click Submit. After submitting your survey, you will receive an email confirmation with a PDF attachment containing your responses. If you need any assistance or encounter any issues, please contact us at activitysurvey@ebmt.org.